Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to switch out these old OEM headlights with new Spyder headlights for a 2004 to 2006 Dodge Durango. And here's how the new headlight looks. Comes with the black housing with the LED light bar. Flip it over to the back, plug and play, and then you just have to tap the light bar into the parking light. So first we're gonna pop the hood. So before we get started, I'm gonna grab some masking tape. I'm gonna mask the bumper here so that we don't scratch the paint, because we're gonna have to remove two 10mm bolts underneath the headlight assembly. So next, you're gonna have to remove a nut inside the wheel well, and it's located around here on the top corner behind the headlight housing. So what you're gonna do is there's a cover right here. Just gonna slide it back, and you're gonna slide it forward. Take it off. So just you're just gonna get it right here, slide it back, and then pull it forward. So you're just gonna break the nut loose, and then you're just gonna remove it by hand. There's a nut right there. After you do that, go ahead and grab the headlight housing right here, and just pop it off and hold the headlight firmly and just pop it off. So here, we're going to disconnect the turn signal. So just turn it clockwise and it'll come right off. And then we're gonna disconnect the low beam. So there's this red tab here. You're just gonna slide it back. You can get a small flathead and just slide it back, and then you can easily disconnect it. So before we install our headlight, we're gonna have to tap into the parking light. So go ahead and turn your hazard lights or your turn signal. And then you're gonna have to slide this back and then disconnect the bulb socket from the harness. And then you're just gonna grab your multimeter and you're just gonna find the 12 volt. So after you install your T-taps, we're ready to install our headlight. So this hole here is nothing. This hole is for your turn signal bulb. And we're gonna first start by connecting our light bar. So make sure the negative goes with negative. And the positive with the positive. Install your turn signal bulb. And connect your low beam and your high beam. carefully seat your headlight in place. Reinstall your two 10mm bolts. Reinstall your 10mm nut. After that, reinstall your wheel well shield or your wheel well cover. Now we can close the hood. Let's check all the functions, make sure everything works properly before we get back on the road.
Before taking your vehicle back on the road, make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions. Thank you for viewing the Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.